In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things to do in the morning in the first minutes of your day for a law of attraction morning routine. But before we get into it, we are going to a very nice place. So let's go. Hi everyone, it's Kaisa here teaching you law of attraction and mindset so that you can start living your dream life right now. So it's actually a very beautiful day out here in Finland and the sun is shining, and I think there is some weird shadow going on my face. Please don't mind it. I must wear this cap because otherwise the wonderful sunlight is going to blind me. So let's just get right into today's topic. 3 things to do in the morning when you wake up for a law of attraction morning routine. So it is actually scientifically proven that visualization works. I mean, there was a study conducted with baseball players, and one group was practicing and another one was not practicing, but they were visualizing as if they were practicing, and the results were actually pretty interesting. So the development of those 2 groups were almost similar. Like, that's crazy, like visualization actually works. And I think a lot of people live this life from outside in, like they see something outside and they react to it like, oh, like this happened and now I cannot do something, or like this happened and because of that I feel like this now, for example. It actually makes your life a lot easier when you realize that everything here is actually inside out. So everything, like, you are the creator of your reality. Everything starts from here, like you create your world. So there is no, need to react to something which you created, because it makes no sense. So the thing number 1 you can do is to start your day in gratitude. That's very powerful, to be, thankful for everything that you have, because you don't know, you don't have the control when you are going to leave this planet, and every new day is a new possibility, a new opportunity, and you can do anything you want to. Because when you realize that you are the creator of your reality, like, you take the power back, you take the responsibility of everything that you have ever created, and then you're gonna start changing it. Like, you can create anything you want to. As long as you're alive, you can create anything. So that's quite exciting, right? So what I do in the morning is I write 10 things down what I'm grateful for. Such as, I'm grateful for my family, I'm grateful for being alive, I'm grateful for this beautiful summer weather or anything. And you should not just write these things down and then move on with your day. You should actually feel them and amplify that feeling, because the way law of attraction works, your thoughts create feelings, and your feelings are vibrations, and then those vibrations are sent there out to the universe, and that is also what you will get back in return. So you want to send those positive, grateful vibrations to the universe so that your day will be amazing. So thing number 2, what to do in the morning when you wake up, is yoga. Like, yoga is super beneficial for your manifestation, because when you are doing those difficult asanas, when you are standing on your head for 1 full minute and you can still feel grateful, you can still smile, like, you are going to be the winner in life. Like, no matter what's going to happen later on your day, you're just gonna get through it, like, so easily. Like, you don't need to even react to anything, because you just smile and you get through it. Yoga is not only about the flexibility of your body and the strength to do things, but also it affects your mind directly. So it's very powerful, very important to take care of your body so that it will be easier for you to create the kind of life you want to live. Okay, so thing number 3 to do in the morning when you wake up is intentions. So what I do is I have a notebook which actually has like 5 sections, and each of them has a different color. So for every area in my life, such as relationships, myself, my career, I have a different section, and what I do is I write small intentions and affirmations and just anything that I want to be or anything that I want to see in my reality. So I write those things down in the morning, and that's what helps me to manifest them in reality. For example, I could write, I intend to be confident today, I intend to always be calm, I intend for somebody to call me today, I intend for filming this YouTube video be quick and effortless and things like that, you know. And I think it's very useful to have multiple little things going on, like every day you're just repeating those. And when you have a lot of them, you don't have that much attachment to the things. Like if you take one big thing in your life, such as if you have relationship problems or anything, and you concentrate on that, it could be very difficult to manifest something better because you're so attached to that thing, like you cannot think about anything else, and it's so difficult for you to live in the end of already having the thing. So by doing these small intentions and affirmations every day, like you just write them down and move on with your day, you forget about them, you let the universe manifest them for you. Like by doing this, you are building the confidence in your manifestations. Like you will start noticing how this works and what it feels like to manifest, and how you can start manifesting even bigger and better things. So writing down your intentions is only one way to do this one technique, and I think you could replace this step with, for example, meditation, visualization, anything. And it's very powerful to do this after the yoga, because after yoga your mind is so calm, you feel so peaceful, and you just have that good energy in you. Okay, so anyway guys, that's my video for today. If you have learned anything new, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, because I'm making 3 videos a week to help you start living your dream life right now. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post new videos. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.